Sports Initiatives by Jessie Woodbury. This Girl Can is a project aimed to involve women and girls in sport throughout the country, no matter what ethnicity or size and shape, as well as avoiding women stopping participation within sport. The funding for this campaign comes from the National Lottery. A lot of advertisements have been put on the TV, social media sites such as Facebook and Instagram to get a wider knowledge of women's participation within sport. This Girl Can campaign has been very successful since it started in 2015. Since then, it's been a very successful campaign involving an increase in participation from women. This is a sport-specific campaign as it is concentrated on strictly sports rather than anything else. This Girl Can is located nationwide within and throughout the country, which is promoted within gyms and schools. School Games. This project is aimed to keep competitive sport at the heart of schools and providing more young people with the opportunity to compete and achieve their personal best. The School Games events consist of 4 unique types of competition: intra-schools competition, local inter-schools competition, county finals and the School Games national finals. Their target audience is primary and secondary schools. Nationally, it's sports specific. The School Games is located in and around the country. The School Games funding comes from the Youth Sport Trust and the National Lottery. The School Games has become very successful. A lot of young athletes have become recognised within their own ability by School Games officials. The Sports Games is sport specific, as within the School Games all they provide is competition sessions and coaching within the campaign.